Hi, welcome back to Moose and Chemistry. This is Boyles Law Gas Lesson number 3. All right, a couple things we need to remember on our flow chart here. Remember that 1 atmosphere is equal to 760 millimeters of mercury, which is equal to 760 torr, which is equal to 101.325 kilopascals, which is equal to 101,325 pascals, which is equal to 1.013 bar, which is equal to 14.7 psi. Remember, the temperature and pressure is 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atm. 1 millimeter of mercury equals 1 torr. And Boyle's law is P1 V1 equals P2 V2, where the temperature is, of course, constant. All right, let's look at our first problem. 1 liter of a gas at standard temperature and pressure is compressed to 473 milliliters. What is the new pressure of the gas? Okay. So we have our first volume, which is 1 liter, and it's at STP, so that means this is 1 atm. That's why the STP is important. And it's compressed to 0.473 liters. We should keep the units the same. So what I did was I took 473 milliliters, right? And I converted it to liters by moving the decimal over 3 places to give me 0.473 liters. That's important to remember. So we're looking at for the new pressure. So we're going to look for P2. So P2 is equal to P1 V1 over V2. So P2 is equal to 1 atm times 1 liter divided by our second volume, which is 0.473 liters, right? So of course liters cancel liters, and we're going to get our new pressure, which will be in atm. So that will give us 1 divided by 0.473, which will equal 2.11 atms. Okay, and that answer does make sense. Okay, synthetic diamonds can be manufactured at a pressure of 6.0 times 10 to the 4th atms. If I took 2 liters of gas at 1 atm and compressed it to the pressure of 6.00 times 10 to the 4th atm, what would the new volume of the gas be? All right, so our first pressure, of course, is 1 atm. Our volume was 2.00 liters, and we give a new pressure, which is 6.00 times 10 to the 4 atms. What is our new volume? So we're going to isolate for V2. V2 equals P1 V1 over P2. V2 is equal to this times 2.00 L, right? And that's, of course, atm. And then we're going to put our new pressure, 6.00 times 10 to the 4th atm. ATMs cancel each other out. And, of course, our new volume is going to be pretty small, 2 divided by 6.0 exponential 4, and that gives me, wow, 3.33 times 10 to the negative 5th liters. So that's quite a bit of compression there, guys. Well, that's it for this lesson. You be snarly. I will see you back here at Moose and Chemistry.